Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to create this pipe fitting in Solidworks. So this is the basic tutorial for beginners who want to learn Solidworks from beginner to advanced. So look how we create this part in Solidworks. So it is good example for beginners. So let's see how we create this part. So first we see the section view of this piping cutout. So look the section view for this piping. So here we create in this video we will cover various command like revolve command, sweep command, extruded boss command and many more. So let's see how we do this. So go to the file, select part, okay. Now here we change the background to plain white, select right plane, sketch norm. So we better to create on sketch on front plane. So select front plane, sketch normal, and here we create one horizontal line. Make sure it is horizontal, and create one vertical line. Okay. So here we go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 75 mm. Select this line and make it 55 mm. Okay, and now here we apply the fillet. So go to the fillet command, select this one, and here we make the fillet 18.75 mm. Select this point and here we apply the fillet. Okay, now here we exit this command. Okay, go to the feature, select sweep boss base command for piping. Select this one and here we select circular profile. Now it will ask line, so select this sketch. Here we will make outer diameter 25 mm. Thin feature we make it gap from mid plane, and here we make the distance 3 mm. Okay, now exit this sketch. So look how we create this pipe bending by using sweep features in Solidworks. Now again we create a flange on top face. So here first we apply the material. So go to the appearance, select chrome, and here we select brush chrome, brush nickel. So we apply this appearance brush nickel. Select this face, right click, sketch normal, and here we create center rectangle from this point. So select this point and create rectangle up to here. Go to the smart dimension, select this line and make it 50 mm, and this one also 50 mm. Okay, and now here we apply the fillet of 5 radius. So go to the fillet command, make it 5 mm, and simply select and drag to this one, so it will automatically selected all this corner. Okay, now again we create circle from this point. Select this one, this point, and this one. Okay, go to the smart dimension, select this circle and make it 5 diameter. Select separately for this all this circle and make it equal. Okay, go to the circle, select this point and this circle. Okay, so here let's we make the extruded to this sketch. So go to the features, select extruded boss base and make the extrude 5 mm and make it reverse direction. Okay, So again we create the sketch on this face. So select this one, right click, sketch normal. So again we go to the circle, select this point and create circle up to here. Go to the smart dimension, select this circle and make this one 57.5 diameter. Okay, again go to the circle, select this point and create circle. Make sure it is tangent to this inner circle. Okay, go to the circle, select this point, create up to here. Go to the smart dimension and select this circle and make it 47.5 diameter. Select this circle and change to construction geometry. Okay, go to the circle, from this point create circle and make sure it is vertical to this center point. Select this circle and make it 5 diameter. Okay, and here we create 4 number of circles. So we create circular pattern. Parameter, we select this point and entity to pattern, so select this circle and we need 4 numbers of this pattern. Okay, now here it's time to make the extruded to this sketch. So go to the feature, select extruded boss base and make the extrude 5 mm inside. Okay, so here we create this sketch. Now again we create plane. So go to the reference geometry, select plane. First reference we select right plane and make this distance 120 mm. Okay, so look now. Okay, and again we select this plane, sketch right. Okay, now here we create circle. So we create circle, make sure it is vertical to this point. Go to the smart dimension, select this circle, make it 20 mm. Select this point and this point. This will be 29.5 mm. And here go to the feature, select extruded boss base and select this reverse direction and here we select up to next. Okay, now again select this face, right click, sketch normal and here we create circle, create up to here. Go to the smart dimension, select this circle and make it 15 diameter and here it's time to make the extruded cut. So go to the feature, select extruded cut and here we make the condition up to surface. Okay, and now select this surface, so it will cut up to here. So look how we cut this portion. Again go to the here again we create one more plane from this top side. So go to the reference geometry, select plane, here click and select top plane and here we make the distance. So we will keep distance 28.75 upside. Okay, now select this plane, right click, sketch normal and here we create circle. Make sure it is horizontal to this center point. Go to the smart dimension, select this circle and make it 20 diameter. Go to the features. So first we make the distance this one 27 mm. Again go to the feature, select extruded boss base, make it reverse and here we select up to next. Okay, Now again select this face, right click, sketch normal, and again we create circle. So go to the circle, select this point, create circle up to here, go to the smart dimension, select this circle and make it 15 diameter, go to the feature, select extruded cut, and here we select up to surface. Now select this surface, okay. So again we create a sketch on this face, right click, sketch normal, here go to the sketch, select circle, select this face, so here we create two circle, go to the smart dimension, select this circle, make it 10 diameter, and select this and make it 5 diameter. So here we make the distance from this circle point, this gap will be 14 mm. So here we create one center line, make sure it is vertical. Now here it's time to make the mirror, so select this both circle and mirror about this center line, okay. Now again go to the circle, and we create circle from this point, and create up to here, go to a smart dimension, select this circle and we make this circle 22 diameter, okay. Now here we select 23 diameter, okay. Now select this circle and create circle up to here and make this tangent to this inner circle, okay. Now select this line and create a line up to here, make sure it is a tangent to this circle, both circle, okay. Now here we select this circle, so it is tangent, okay. Now we select this line, so it is also tangent. Now here we create one center line from this center point and make sure it is horizontal to this center point, and it's time to make the mirror to this line, so select both line and mirror about this center line, okay. So here it's time to make this trim to this sketch, so go to the trim command, select power trim and simply select and drag, so it will delete, simply select drag, so it will be deleted. This one, okay. Now go to the feature, select extruded boss base and make it 5 mm and make it reverse direction, okay. So here it's time to make the fillet, So we apply the fillet to all this fitting. Go to the fillet. Here we make fillet 3 mm. Select this edge, this one, select this one. Okay, so here we again apply the chamfer. So go to the chamfer. Here we will make the chamfer 0.5. Select this face, this face, this one, and select this face also. Okay, so here we apply the chamfer and fillet. Now here is time to hide this plane. Go to the hide all types. Okay, so look how we create this pipe fitting in SolidWorks. I hope you will enjoy our tutorial. Thanks for watching.